Someone sent me a KS0 Ultra they bought on eBay for parts or broken. However, when I received it, it was about midnight when I started working on this, and I did not realize what actually happened. I went through the steps. There was a short on the board. I put my thermal camera on it, which I will show here. This MOSFET was blown, and then this cap was blown here, as per usual. Normal power problems on these boards. So I went ahead and replaced this MOSFET. Then when I went to replace this cap, I realized something. I didn't even notice it. It was so late. This is not a KS0 Ultra. This is a Pro. It's written right here. My goodness. I was blind. It was late. Anyways. So I replaced this cap here and told the customer, hey, whoever sold this to you on eBay scammed you. It's fixed. So I don't know what you want to do. I would contact eBay, get it figured out. So I guess the rest is up to him. So I'll just have this short sped up video of me changing the MOSFET and this cap, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching.